Hi children, welcome to all. I will explain about how to participate CBSE Heritage Quiz 2020-21 by using your mobile phone. In this quiz, you learn some interesting aspects of our rich heritage. First, open the Play Store in your mobile. Then type Diksha in search box and install the same in your mobile. After complete the installation, open the Diksha app. Once you open, you will get the screen like this. Here, select English language and press continue. Now select student option. At the end of the page, click the board option and select CBSE or NCERT and click submit button. Select the medium as English and select the corresponding class which you are studying. I selected class 10, then press continue. This is your dashboard. At the bottom of the dashboard, 4 menus are there. You have to select course menu. In that course menu, search the CBSE Heritage Quiz. Now select the CBSE Heritage Quiz and joining page will open. Click the join course button and login window will open. If you are already registered, type your username and password in the respective boxes. If you are new to Diksha means, click the register here option. Registration page will open. Select your year of birth. Type your full name. Enter your mobile number. Enter your password. Your password must contain a minimum of 8 characters. Then same password, type in the confirm password box. Accept the terms and condition. Click the register button. OTP will receive in your mobile text message box. Enter the OTP and click submit. Again login window will appear. Enter your mobile number and password. Then click login. Click join course button. Then edit profile page will appear. Select the board. Select the medium. Select the class. Click the save button. Select your state. And select your district. Click the submit button. Dashboard will appear. At the bottom of the dashboard, again click the course menu. In the course menu, search the CBSE Heritage Quiz. Select the CBSE Heritage Quiz and click the join course. Click the terms and condition. and click the share button. After you enroll in the CBSE Heritage Quiz, you can see the introduction module, Know Our Heritage, and CBSE Heritage India Quiz. Then click Start Learning. Check your details and click Start Learning. Then Introduction module page will open. Click the next option. And this is the information about the CBSE Heritage India Quiz. Just read it and click the next option. This is the important information, so you have to read. Click the next option. You just completed introduction module. Go to next. Click the play button. Your video will open.
Welcome to the World Heritage Sites in India. We proudly present spectacular sites in India which have been included in the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites. These are located in 17 states.
Don't skip the videos. Totally 3 videos are there, so you must watch the full videos. Click go to next. Click the play button. This is our second video. Click go to next button. This is your third video. Click the play button.
हिंदुस्तान के हर स्टेट में हर तरीके के फेस्टिवल मनाए जाते हैं, पर अगर कुछ फेस्टिवल्स का मजा उनके असली यानी एकदम ऑथेंटिक अंदाज
Next, click go to next button. Click the play button. After completed the 2 modules, you will be redirected to the CBSE Heritage India Quiz. Click next option. Here some terms and conditions are given, so you have to read this. Here also same thing. This is the instruction page. All the students, you must read this instruction. Some instruction I will read. Total time allocated is 30 minutes and there are 40 questions and your maximum score is 40 and each question carries 1 mark and there is no negative mark for your wrong answer. And once you click the next button, you can't use the back button, so be careful while attending the quiz. This is how to take the quiz. Information is given, so you just read this. The quiz will begin when you click next. Click the next button. This is your question, quiz question. Once you completed your test, your score page will open. This is your score page. Click exit option. After the score page, you will get this page. So you have successfully completed this course. So now I will explain about how to download the participation e-certificate. Go to the dashboard. At the bottom of the dashboard, profile option is there. Click the profile option. Then here CBSE Heritage India Quiz certificate is available. Click that certificate. You have to click hello. This is your participation certificate. Thank you all and subscribe my channel.